This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. First, gather your tools. A small flathead screwdriver or a coin will work perfectly. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes to complete. Let's get started and open that key fob. Next, find the small release button located on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly. As you press, the mechanical key will pop out slightly. Gently pull the mechanical key straight out from the fob. This key is essential for the next step as it reveals the opening slot. Now, with the mechanical key removed, you'll see a small slot. Insert the tip of your flathead screwdriver or coin into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a small click as the casing separates. Be careful not to use excessive force. Once open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Note its orientation before removing it. Most Hyundai key fobs use a CR2032 battery. Insert the new battery, ensuring the positive side faces up. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.